Three luckiest and most powerful color of the year 2026 to boast our luck in every aspect and element of our lives. Ito ang mga masiswerteng kulay ayon sa kasaganaang ninanais natin ngayong Year of the Fire Horse 2026. Dahil malapit na ngang matapos ang taong 2025 at excited na ang lahat sa pagsalubong ng taong 2026, heto na at ikaklaro ko na sa inyo kung ano-ano ang tatlong kulay na tutulong sa atin upang mas maging magaan ang pagsalubong at pag-angat natin sa Year of the Fire Horse. Ito ang ating magiging guide para sa bawat lucky colors. You can opt to update your wardrobe and wear these colors intentionally o pumili lang ng mga gemstones or any representation of these luckiest colors. Pero bago tayo magpatuloy, please don't forget to click and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Kung ang goal ninyo sa 2026 ay ang pagiging active at ganado in every aspect of life, you should wear the 2026 main luckiest color of the year, lalo na sa pagsalubong ng taon ng Fire Horse sa February 17. At ito ay ang Vermilion Red. Yes po, Vermilion Red is the ruling color na kaakibat ng taon ng Fire Horse as it is the year's representation of the fire element. It is a fiery, ancient red color na siyang gagatong sa inyong drive to go and have all the courage upang masabayan ang lakas at bilis ng taon ng Fire Horse. Ang kulay na ito rin ang magiging tapat na taga-absorb at susunog sa lahat ng negative energy for the year 2026. Kaya kung medyo kailangan nyo ng booster, wear Vermilion Red as you strike and go through year 2026. Number 2, the Emerald Green. Masyadong mainit ang taong 2026 dahil sa steady fire energy na katambal ng Fire Horse at kailangan natin ng supporting element from wood to compensate and balance the year's progress, growth, and stability. Ang malinaw at intense green color ng emerald ay may tiyak na hatid na kasaganaan at tamang pampakalma sa sobrang intense na fire energy ng taong 2026. Wear something of this color, especially when you are applying for a job or kung kayo ay nasa field ng finance at marketing to serve as a grounding contrast to the Fire Horse steady progress. Number 3 ay ang gold. Hindi mawawala ang kinang ng gold, being one of the luckiest color to represent the metal element, which is the balancing color for the year 2026 na Year of the Fire Horse. Ito ang kulay na tiyak ng pag-angat sa buhay at confidence. In Feng Shui, ang kulay at kinang ng gold for the year 2026 will refine and balance fire's strong energy at ang simbolo ng abundance, wisdom, success, at recognition. Patapos na ang taong 2025 and it is once again the color of the year season. Isa sa pinakaaabangan ng lahat globally. But wait, you should know that color of the year is different from the lucky color of the year. While major color brands and companies are revealing their color of the year, kagaya ng pinaka-famous at inaabangan na Pantone, which recently previously declared Cloud Dancer being the color of the year 2026 for fashion and interiors. Feng Shui colors are chosen based on the elements and energy according to the animal zodiac for the year, at ito ay ang Fire Horse para sa taong 2026. For the year 2026, combine energies wisely. Vermilion red for action, emerald green for growth, and gold for success. Ang triad na ito ang pinakamabisang panlaban at kaakibat mo to move forward fluently sa pagkamit mo ng kasaganaan at bawat goal mo sa taong 2026. Epektibo at pwede ba ito para sa lahat ng Chinese animal zodiac? Yes, definitely, these 3 luckiest colors for the year 2026 works well and are universal for this year of the Fire Horse 2026. But remember, these lucky colors are simply our boosters. Tayo ang mismong may hawak at may kontrol sa ating kabuuang pagkatao. Look beyond trends and try to connect deeply with yourself and with the energy around you. Once again, it's me, Gian, and together, let's take control and welcome the year of the Fire Horse 2026 with more confidence and drive for every success stories.